Hey guys, if you have federal student loans, this is your sign to take action now. As of May 2025, the Department of Education has resumed collections of millions of defaulted student loans. And now they're being reported to the credit bureaus, causing a lot of damage to people's credit. Let me share my experience because it could help you avoid making the same mistake that I made. Now, back in April, I was hit with a 50-point drop in my credit score. I had no idea what happened because I am someone who pays attention to my credit. I realized that my student loan had been wrongfully reported as delinquent. Here's the part that I have to own. I wasn't checking the email account that the Fed loan has on file for me. So I did miss multiple notices, and that negligence did cost me. Now, it took 4 phone calls before I finally got someone who understood the issue and could put me in the right direction. I submitted documents showing my commencement date, proving I was still within my 6-month grace period. A month later, my credit score was restored, but it took a lot of effort, a lot of paperwork, persistence, and all that good stuff. And again, 4 phone calls. Now, here's what makes this so serious. If your loans are in default, the government can and will absolutely start garnishing your wages, seizing your tax refund, and even taking part of your Social Security benefits. And also, let me be clear, a 90-day delinquency on your credit is not easy to remove and can absolutely block you from getting a mortgage. Now, if this does sound familiar, here's how you can fix it. 1, you can request a temporary deferment. Don't let anybody tell you that they can't, because they can. It might take you 4 phone calls, but they can't. And this can bring your loan current and pause any further collections. 2, apply for an income-driven repayment plan, also called an IDR. Now, that's payments based on your income. 3, you can check if you're still within the grace period. If you're still within that 6-month post-graduation window, you should not be reported as delinquent. And that's what happened to me. You will have to submit documentation through student.gov to dispute the delinquency and have it removed. Now, why does this matter if you want to buy a home? Because if you plan on applying for a government-backed mortgage like an FHA, VA, or USDA, you cannot have any federal loans and collections. Lenders will pull a CAI VRS report, a government debt alert system, and if you're flagged, that's an automatic denial. This could absolutely derail your home buying journey, even if everything else is perfect. It doesn't matter how much money you have in the bank. Once you're in that system and you're flagged, it's a done deal. What you need to do is log into student aid, check your loan status, look for signs of default, delinquency, or collections. Call your loan servicer and don't stop until you speak to someone who can help you. Update your email and contact info so you don't miss another notice like I did. And monitor your credit report on annualcreditreport.com. It's free, right? I went through this the hard way, so you don't have to. I dropped the ball, I will admit, by not checking my emails, but once I took action, I was able to correct the issue, and so can you. Don't let that deter you from purchasing a home if that is your end goal. As always, if you need guidance, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'm here to assist with your buying, selling, and investing needs.